Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I am inside again, and that's because I have a very important question for you, the viewers. So let's go. Okay, so I've had a few people comment and tell me that they're watching from South Africa or from Egypt, which is pretty crazy. So my question is, where are you watching this video from right now? What country, what location, and what are you doing? Are you watching it in the evening? Have you got it on in the background of some noise while you're doing something on your car? Comment down below, let me know where you're from. Also, how long have you been with the channel? Are you a new viewer? Are you someone who's been with the channel from the very beginning? Either way, it's awesome and I appreciate it. Thank you very much. I can't believe I've got over 3,000 subscribers now. This channel was only meant to be a way for me to remember how to do jobs, and also hoping it would help other people. So the fact that so many of you have subscribed and find this content interesting is pretty mind-blowing. I also want to thank everyone who's bought any of the Mark II Golf Stories merch. You can probably see that scrolling up the side of the screen now. It's pretty awesome that so many of you find my designs interesting enough to wear and to buy. So thank you very much. Have you guys been enjoying the content recently? What do you think of Stu's project, his 1.6 driver? He will let you know how much he paid for that soon. Don't worry. Also, have you guys checked out the podcast? Are you enjoying that? If you don't know what it is, it's Dubs Not Dubbers. It's on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and on YouTube. I'd love to know what you think of it. Got lots more content coming soon on the Lemon and on the GTD. The GTD's head has gone off to the head shop recently, so hopefully we'll be getting that back and we can continue the rebuild. So lots more to come. Thank you for watching, for sticking around. If you're new here, check out some of the other videos on the Mark II GTI or on the Mark II GTD or on Stu's 1.6 driver. We cover loads of topics. Hopefully there'll be a video there which you will find useful or interesting. Give us a subscribe. Give us a like, and yes, please comment and let me know how long you've been with the channel and where you're from. I would love to know. That's it for this video. Thank you very much. You're all wonderful. See you again soon. Bye bye.